So we are looking at a technique we have learned from Swati. This is called a chocolate plate model, and it helps in extending what we would do with regular division with fractional division so that it makes sense to children. So if you look at a regular division, let's say 6 divided by 3, what you are saying is that you have 6 of something and you have 3 plates. So you have 3 plates, and if you have 6 pieces of something, so 6 divided into 3 plates is 6 chocolates are there, and I will need to put 2 in each plate. So this is 6 divided by 3, which is in this case 2. So if you wanted to take the next, which is basically a division of a regular number 3 by 1/4, what does that mean? That means I had 3 chocolates that I was putting in 1/4 of a plate, which is this. So I am putting 3 in a fourth of the plate. So now the question is, how much will there be in a plate? So usually we say, when we did 6 divided by 3, there are 6 chocolates, there are 3 plates. How much do we put in each plate? So instead of saying each plate, we now just use one plate. How much is there in one plate? So that even if you have a fraction, let's say in this case which is 1/4, right? Then you have another 3 fourths. And in each of them, we are going to put 3. So that means in one plate, which is 4 pieces such as this, you are going to have 12 chocolates. So that's why 3 divided by 1/4 actually gives you 12, which is also the picture we have here. And 6 divided by 2/3, which is what we are doing here. What does that mean? So you have 2/3. So you have 1/3 piece, you have two 1/3 piece, and then you have the third one that's not yet there. So you have 2 like this, the plate is looking like this, and you have 6 pieces. And the question is still the same, right? How much in one plate? So since you have 6 pieces, you first need to divide it into these 2 plates. And to complete this plate, which is basically one more piece, you need to have 3. If that's confusing, you can even remove this piece. You just say, to complete this plate, you need to have 3 more pieces. That's all. There's another third, 1/3. So then you get 6 when it is divided by 2/3 will give you 9. Because first you divide by the 2 and then you multiply by the 3. And that's where this whole thing of flip it upside down and multiply comes from. That if you have more than some pieces, you need to divide them equally into those many pieces, and then you have by 3s, you have 3 such pieces, so you're going to multiply by that 3 in the end. So now let's see a fraction divided by another fraction. So you have 1/3 that is divided into 2/3. So again the same idea of 2/3, right? Which is here. You have 2/3 in the plate and you have only 1/3. So 1/3 has to first be split between 2 pieces. So this is 1/6. So that's what's written here. Sorry. Looking like that. Yeah, okay. So this is 1/6. So 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. So there are 3 by 6 pieces. Yes. So 3/6 is basically equal to half. Again you can see you are dividing by 2, so that becomes 6, and then you are multiplying by 3, so 3/6. So that's half.